Hey guys, so today I'm shooting with the Reto ultra wide and slim camera. This was released earlier this year and is a clone of the Vivitar original of the same name. So this little camera has a fixed f-stop of f11 and a fixed shutter speed of 1/125th of a second. So I'm gonna pop some Kodak Color Plus 200 in it. It's a pretty bright sunny day, so we should be okay with that. I think that this camera is quite an affordable price point, and Kodak Color Plus is a fairly cheap film, and yeah, I think would make a nice match with this camera. All right, so all loaded up and ready to go. I'm really excited to see how this camera is going to perform against the original. I've never shot the original, so if you have, comment below and let me know. So this camera has a 22mm wide angle lens, as opposed to most point and shoots that have around like a 35mm focal length. I'm used to shooting with something like that, so this is a totally new experience for me. I did shoot a Panorama camera and that was also new. I'm normally trying to get like really close in on everything, but I thought that this area, it's really scenic and would lend itself to that kind of like wide angle aspect. So far I've really enjoyed using this a lot more than the Panorama camera or any other little toy camera that I've used. The viewfinder is really nice and big and bright, and it's easy to compose a shot. It is really, really small. It literally fits in the palm of my hand, which I love, and it doesn't feel super fiddly to use either. I would have thought something really small would have been a little bit more sort of finicky, but yeah, I'm really enjoying using this. I can definitely see it being like a daily carry, like something I would put in my bag and not have to worry too much about. I have read a few articles on this. Cosmo Photo have a good one, I'll link it below. People were saying that it's easy to get a sort of wayward finger or camera strap in the shot. So I have been trying to be really conscious of that, and yeah, just making sure my hands are at the back there and just pressing the shutter release. So something to be conscious of. The build quality for a little toy camera actually feels really sturdy to me, and yeah, everything seems to be working really nicely. The only thing I'd worry about is probably like this little lever here. It's plastic, so that could break off, but I guess if you're just careful, then you know you should be fine. I absolutely love this muddy yellow color and pretty much all the colors that this came in, and just the general aesthetic of the camera is really pleasing to me, and it's just so cute and dinky. I'm not sure if this camera is available everywhere at the moment. Matt Murray of Matt Loves Cameras ordered a bunch of these, and he asked me if I would like one, and I was totally up for it. But I will leave links below, and if you're watching this in the future, I'll update them as this camera becomes more widely available. There's a building just over the way that I shot in the Polaroid video, and also on a 35mm camera as well. So I'm gonna head over there and see what that one looks like on the ultra wide and slim. finished the roll, got a couple of shots left. So we're gonna go for a swim at the beach because it's really warm, and then maybe get a couple of shots of the beach and do some portraits and stuff afterwards to finish the roll off. In my next Patreon vlog, I will be going through these photos. You guys have seen them, but I haven't. So I'll be giving my thoughts on them, and there'll probably be other stuff in that vlog too. So link is in the description if you want to join me on Patreon. There's a bunch of Let's do that again. So you guys have seen the photos, but I haven't. So I will be doing a follow-up video in the form of a vlog on my Patreon soon, where I go through the photos a little bit more and give you my thoughts. So if you want to see that, link is in the description below, and sign up to my Patreon. There's a bunch of other cool stuff on there, like vlogs and extra photos that I don't share anywhere else. I highly recommend this camera to someone who is a beginner. It's really simple, it doesn't need any batteries, and it was really easy to use. So hoping the photos look good. But yeah, I think this would be a great first purchase. It's around $30 American. Yeah, and with a cheap film, I think it's an affordable option for a beginner film shooter, but also someone who shoots film all the time like me. I'm just loving it. It's really, really light, and yeah, I'm just loving this little cute camera. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.